everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. Today's video is for me to present you with our newest pattern alterations. And the pattern alterations were made from the swimsuit pattern Bora. You probably are wondering what I'm doing all dressed up. Well, I want to present you properly the new pattern alteration that I made using the swimsuit pattern Bora. And the alteration is this beautiful bodysuit which I'm wearing today with a pair of trousers, high-waist trousers, and you can wear this whatever way you like. You can wear it with a blazer on top or just like I am today. But let me introduce you to a little more in detail in what alterations I did before you check the YouTube tutorial with the full way of sewing it and changing it. So which pattern alterations did I do for this body? Well, I included, as we did on the other tutorial, I included a top underneath the body, so you cannot see it of course, but I have a top underneath with an elastic under my bust, which made this very comfortable, and so I don't need to wear any bra when I'm using this bodysuit. Then I also made my neckline a little bit higher. Not only the highest option of my swimsuit is too low for a body, as I really prefer to have it a little bit more closed. So I changed the neckline here on the center, and then I used the same sleeve pattern, but I extended the sleeve until I had a 3/4 sleeve, which I then decided to do with this tool with dotted velvet. I really think this is a nice detail because you can see through the tool, and I also used it here and on the back, which I'm gonna pop up an image here so you can see how it looks on the back. And if I would do it again, I would probably change a little bit this. I would do it a little bit lower here. I think it's choking me a little bit. I finished here near my neck with a fold over elastic, so it's a very nice finish and it's very easy to do. And on the cuff, I only folded the tool and sewed and inserted an elastic for my finish. So this is very easy to do. Just like on the other tutorial for the Bora swimsuits converted on a body, I also inserted buttons so I can open my bodysuit when I need to go to the toilet. And I think that's it. It's a nice suggestion that I wanted to leave you before 2021 is over, and I hope you can sew your own transformed swimsuit pattern Bora into a bodysuit, and please do share with me your results. See you soon. Bye girls!